Here we have the password check program. This program has two parts. Part one is the password program, and the second part is a comparison of two names. We have possible output. Enter the password. Hello. That's invalid. Enter the password hacker, invalid, and we finally get to the right password. The other part is compare. We're going to compare two names. So we have Ralph and George. That's false. Those are not the same name. And then we have Ralph and Ralph. And those are the same name. So that would be true. Let's start with password check. Here we have password check, and the object is test. And then test. We use test to call the method check. So let's go to password check. We have the scanner and then private string passwords. So we have an instance variable. Here's the constructor. So let's set password. Password is equal to, I don't know, computer 12 exclamation. And then we're going to check to see if we have the right password. And pretty much everything is done in this method. So let's type this. Let's get the scanner. Keyboard equals new scanner. And we'll go system in. System in. And we're going to go, let's do. No, not that. We need braces. Do. What are we going to do? We're going to have our prompt. The prompt is enter a password. Something like that. And we need a string. Well, actually, we need these outside of the loop. So I need a string. How about not, instead of guess, entered password is equal to blank. And we're going to go entered password is equal to keyboard.next. We'll say it's just one word. And let's see the output. I think it's just valid or invalid, isn't it? And that's it. So enter the password, invalid or valid. All right. Yeah. So if what? If entered password dot equals password, we're going to say valid. Let's go here. Else, we're going to print invalid. Well, we're going to do this. We're going to do this while we have a bad password. So while not entered password dot equals password. Let's see if we can run this. Let's see if it runs here. I got an error. A while. Oh, yeah. I forgot the while. It's a do while. There we go. Do while. Still, we need something return. Missing return. Where? In set name, Boolean. I'm just going to return false. I'll fix that. So if you guys have to upload, get into this, that'll just be there. Where are we at here? We're going to run. Hey, there it is. Blah, blah, blah. That's invalid. Computer 12 exclamation. Valid. False, false. All right. So now we're going to go to set name here. We got the password to work. So same name as a class. Here's the object. And these are parameters passed to the constructor. And we're going to decide, we're going to compare whether the same names are the same. So same name code here. We're going to go name1, which is an instance variable, is equal to n1. And name2 is equal to name2. So there's the constructor. Set the names. Setter. All right. Same thing. Name1 is equal to n1 and name2 is equal to n2. Now we got to return whether they're true. whether they're the same or not. So all we got to do is return name1 dot equals name2, and we'll let Java decide if it's true or false. We don't have to say if something is false. We don't need if statements for that. We can just return it. Return the value, whether it's true or false. Let's see. It's computer 12 exclamation. There we go. False and true.